A sum of $1,000 is invested at an interest rate of 12% per year. Find the amount in the account after 3 years if interest is compounded, semi-annually. So semi-annually means twice per year. So our formula for compound interest is the amount after time t equals p, the principal, times 1 plus r over n to the n times t. So our principal, P, this is the amount we start off with. So that's the $1,000. So 1,000. Then we have 1 plus. R is the interest rate, and that's our 12% per year. So writing that in decimal form, that's 0.12. We divide by n, which is the number of times compounded per year. So because we're doing semi-annually, that is 2 times per year. So 2 for semi-annually. And then we raise that to the n, 2, times t. And t is how much time is passing, and that's the 3 years. Okay. So now we just need to figure out what this is. And so this is equal to, now we just plug it into our calculator. And we're going to round here to 2 decimal places because we're talking about money. And so this is, we're just going to round to the nearest cent. So 1,418 and 52 cents. So then let's do the next one, which is compounding quarterly. So the only thing that changes when we change our compounding period is n, okay? And so everything else we can keep the same. We've got 1,000, and then 1 plus 0.12 over, and now if we're compounding quarterly, that means 4 times per year. So 4, and then to the 4 times 3. And then again, we can plug this into our calculator. And we get, again, rounding to the nearest cent, 1,425 and 76 cents. And then finally we'll do monthly. And so for monthly, again, all we're doing here is changing the compounding period, so everything stays the same except for n. So 1,000 times 1 plus 0.12 over, and now monthly means we're compounding 12 times per year. So divide by 12 to the 12 times 3. And we plug this into our calculator. And we get 1,430, and round to the nearest cent, 77 cents. Now you'll notice that as we increased n, okay, we started up here just compounding semi-annually. We had 1,418, and then we went to quarterly, 1,425, and then got to 1,430. And so the more often that we compound, the more we're going to end up with. That makes sense because we more quickly get to earn interest on the interest that we've earned.